Hello everyone, welcome to the Celoxis Learning series. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and customize a dashboard. Let's get started. Log in as an admin user. First, in the left-hand side menu, click on Reports. Then click on All Reports. Now click on the new icon and select Dashboard from the menu. Add Dashboard Page will appear. Now let's give a name to our dashboard. Next, navigate to Filter tab. From here, you can add different filters from this drop-down to your dashboard. You can learn more about filters in our knowledge base. Check out the link in the description. And lastly, save. And here, our dashboard is created. You can add up to 10 reports on this dashboard by clicking on Add Report icon and selecting the desired report you want to add. All of the widgets are resizable. You can adjust your reports as per your need. By following all these steps, you can create and customize your dashboard in Celoxis. Thank you for watching.